Hello everybody, my name is Daniel and I am going to show you how to update your More Purple More Better player sheet. So what you want to do is open up the sheet that you use, and you need to remember that the sheet only works, it only updates on one sheet. So what I do is I just reset the sheet and I use the same document over again. Um, so what I mean is the PDF file, it's like the information gets saved into the PDF file. So I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna open up my Adventure Leagues, and like I'm just gonna use this guy right here, my fighter. I haven't updated him, but I need to. But anyways, so if you have multiple sheets, for example, me, I already have two. I have a paladin as well. I'm gonna need to do the same thing to this guy. I'm gonna need to change. I'm gonna need to update this PDF. So that's what I mean. Um, if you have multiple PDFs that are made from the More Purple More Better, you're gonna have to update every one that is different. So to update, you want to open up Google, of course, and if you already know what I'm going to do, you can just skip there, but I'm going to show you how to get there. So it's going to be More Purple More Better, right? You just hit enter, and it's the second one, the Reddit. You can go here. No, that's not right. It's not the second one. It's this one right here, NPMB. You're going to go there. It's going to take you to the actual Reddit, NPMB. So up at the top is going to tell you find content here, scripts and stuff is the very top. You're going to come down, and as you can see, the update came out just a couple days ago. Well, mine's not updated. Mine's from, I think, 2 months ago. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to direct code. You're going to right click it. You're going to go to copy link address. You're just going to copy that, right? So you don't have to do anything else. Then you're going to go to your PDF. He's asking to donate to his Patreon, whatever. You're going to go here. You can go to import, and at the top it says add homebrew material, and then you can go to import a file with additional material. So right here is going to tell you that the last version I got was on 5/28/2018. Well, the new one is 8/10/2018. So I'm going to go to add file, and right here, instead of looking for a file, I'm just going to right click and hit paste, and it's going to, and if you do it right, it'll say this all underscore WOTC underscore publish.js, but it'll be a website. Like, you'll paste a website into here. So then you hit open, and as you can see, the file automatically gets downloaded into my PDF. So I'm going to come up here, I'm going to go there, I'm going to say delete file. I'm going to delete the old one, and now it's going to have the new one that's up to date. I'm going to hit apply changes. You will need to return to source so that you can choose. I don't know what that means, but whatever. Oh, okay. So now this tells me, you know, it adds everything that that it has. Now I need to let you guys know that even though it adds this Eberron one, if you're playing Adventure Leagues, I don't think they've added the Eberron until Season 8. Now, I'm not 100% on that. I know that they released an update for Tome of Foes, which they put immediately into the game with a new season update, season rules. But since Season 8 is coming, I'm thinking this one is going to be pushed back. Now, I'm not sure, but it adds that information there, so that's good. I'm just trying to show you how to update anyways, so just keep that in mind if you're one of my players, or if you're doing this for AL. Just keep that in mind, that it does include the Eberron information in there, and that would be your I guess that would be your +1. I don't know, I don't really know about the rules, but anyways, just go to apply and then wait for it to apply. and boom, I've updated it. Before you close, make sure you save it. Yeah, I'm just gonna click that. I'm gonna call this updated 8 slash, I don't know, today's date's the 16th actually. Can I even save it, or is it gonna tell me I can't put that? Yeah, I thought I couldn't put that. So I think I can do a dash. Alright. Yeah, so anyways, I should just hit reset. I'll hit yes. It'll erase everything that I have. Right, and now I have a blank one, and I can just save it again, and now I have the blank one that I can use for anything else. But since I created a new one, this one would be like if I make a new character. Oh no, I deleted it. If I made a new character, I would use that one to make my new characters. Let me undo that. No, undo, delete. There we go. Yeah, so I'm just doing that to show you that you have to make a new PDF if you want to make new characters that are updated. So just so that we can do it again, let me go to my Paladin. I'm gonna open up the last one that I did the last time I played with him. Here we go. We're gonna go to import again, add homebrew material, import file. This one has the same thing, 528. Add file. Go down here, hit paste, hit open. Right, I'm gonna delete the old one, apply changes, hit OK. So like exclude from automation, you could actually come over here and you can just hit the arrow, push that one over, but I'm not. I'm gonna leave it there because I think the backgrounds and stuff are still relevant. I'm not too sure. I haven't read season 8 rules. I just like I don't know if this is AL legal. I would like to find out because I think they have Warforged in there now. So yeah, that's the thing. But just be careful with the stuff that you pick. If you're playing AL, make sure you read it and know it. Now I'm just going to hit apply. Right. Now it's working, it's trying to save it. This one's probably going to take a little longer because I got spells on this guy. And then I'm just going to go to save. I'm going to click on that guy. I'm going to keep this file name the same. Hit save. It says your dance palette already exists. I'm going to hit yes. And now when I update this guy, I'll have the file already there. I'll have it updated already. So like the last guy, right? I created a new file. Let's just double check and see. So I'm gonna come back to this guy, the original guy. I'm gonna hit import. Go up here, hit import, and you can see that because I didn't save over this file, I created a new one. This one's still out, still not updated. So I need to make sure this one is updated. I'm gonna hit that. I'm gonna delete the other one, delete file. Right, I'm gonna apply changes. And I'm gonna apply it again. There we go. So let's let's come over here. Let's hit file. Let's save it. And yes, I want it to be the same. I want to save over my old file. I played a couple games. I need to update this. Alright, and one last thing I want to go over before we leave. So the very first thing I did was create a new update file, right? Alright, so this one is blank. Now let's say I want to let's just hit that because I haven't read it. So let's just say that I have the updated file and I have a whole bunch of other files and I don't want to update each and every one of them. So you can go to import and you're gonna do import a character directly from another more purple more better character sheet. You can hit that. In order to use, you will need to do something to appease Adobe. see. Yeah, so I thought this was gonna be a little bit different. This would probably require its own video, so I would recommend not to do this. So I'm just gonna hit done, and we're just gonna leave it alone. Um, if you want to take the time, if you're computer literate, then go for it. But I know that's there, and somebody's bound to ask, well, I could just put that in there, but I don't like it, like, because it requires you to use console and all this other stuff. So yeah, you would be stuck with going to updating each and every one of these that you use. Luckily, I only have 2 characters. The other way would be like if you have like 10 or something, they would just be you know, a pain to go through everyone's. But the majority of people I know only have 1 or 2 characters, so it should be easy. Just remember, you hit import and save that file, and any old PDF files will not have the new database in there. And that's about it. That's all I wanted to show you guys. Have fun playing D&D, and this is Daniel. Take care. Bye.